Hi everyone, this is Jaclyn Peresetsky with Skin Perfect Academy and Skin Perfect Spas. I am so excited today to talk to you about something that we use in the treatment rooms all the time. It's called the Ultrasonic Skin Spatula. It's using ultrasonic ultrasound waves, and that is what's doing a deep cleanse and exfoliation on your skin. So there is a device available for clients that's called the Zemits SonoSilk. So this is something that our clients could use from the comfort of their own home until we get through everything that's going on in this world. So I wanted to show you how to use it today because I think it could really be a game changer for your skincare routine. Now, please remember, I'm going to show you something. Don't overuse it. Don't be overzealous, because deep cleansing is not a daily thing. This should be done a couple times a week max. I prefer my clients to do it one time a week and then also have them do the microcurrent, which is a different type of modality. LED can mix in there as well, but please don't overuse this. And for oily skin types, this does liquefy your oil, but not more is better. So don't constantly want to use this device because then your skin will freak out and it will compensate with more oil. So you really want to make sure you're keeping your skin balanced. Balance is the name of the game when it comes to having great skin. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you kind of what my tools are here. So of course I have a SonoSilk from Zemits here. It's awesome because you can have it charged and ready to go, and it sits on this little device here. And then also I have a filter water system here, which this is so awesome because the SonoSilk, it has a water reservoir, and that keeps water in the device, because typically with ultrasonic devices, especially skin spatulas, you constantly have to dip and do water on your skin because the water is the key, and that's what's gonna help the ultrasound penetrate your skin, and that vibration is what helps deep cleanse your skin. The ultrasonic, it creates these like vibrational modes through the water as your skin's absorbing the water, and it's parting ways, so to speak. So then the ultrasonic vibrations will deep cleanse and liquefy the oils in the pores so your skin gets clearer. But with anything, you have to know what you're doing. So I'm going to have my device. I have a disincrustation solution, and this is something that estheticians use. It is a solution that's really kind of for galvanic or ultrasonic devices. It has a myriad of different ingredients that helps with loosening up dead skin and any type of material or oil in the pore. So you can purchase one of those, or you can also just use a pH balancing toner. Especially if your skin's dry, be very careful with disincrustation solutions because you don't want to over dry your skin. Okay, and then the other serum I have is a hydrating serum because that is what I want to push into the skin. The second part of any type of ultrasonic treatment is you can infuse and regenerate and push serums or active ingredients deep into the skin. So I'm going to show you the deep cleanse and exfoliate mode or peeling mode, and also the regenerate and infuse mode. So these are two different modes that you can use on this device or any other skin spatula device, and you can get kind of a treatment out of it. And then you can follow with your hydrator and your sunscreen. So step one is I'm gonna apply the disincrustation solution with a brush. So you wanna be careful just not to get it in your eyes. And I was practicing a little bit before the video started, so that's why I have little red spots, because my skin is really sensitive, which is good, and it gets reactive really easy. My son has the same skin. It's funny because anytime I do like a massage, he instantly gets red. Okay, so disincrustation solution is on, and now I want to turn my device on. So there's a button here. I'm gonna hit the button. Now notice there's an LED light, a blue light. This is great for reducing acne bacteria. So for those of you that haven't used a device with LED blue light, it's great for anytime you're trying to really reduce P. acnes. It can also just really improve acne in general. So definitely this device is amazing to have that. So it's gonna say clean mode. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, it has water coming out at the same time. You can see it. And I am essentially just using the skin scraping motion, which kind of has the tip going this way. And you really want to just kind of do upward motions. And you can see my skin pinks up again. You feel kind of like a scratchy vibrational feel. You really want to take your time in those skin crevices, of course, because anything like oils and dead skin, they usually kind of have a home there. And for those of you with larger pores, you can spend more time like in this T-zone area because that's typically where the issues. Okay, so now I would typically do this 3 to 5 minutes. And you want to really get into the crevices here, anywhere, especially those nose areas. And my shape of my nose makes it really hard to get my nose. So it's a challenge. Okay, so say I did this for 3 to 5 minutes, so we can move on. And now I'm gonna switch to the nutrition mode. So I have these cotton pads in case any dripping happens during my treatment, but also I have a damp one. So I'm gonna wipe off the disincrustation solution so I can move to the nutrition mode, which again is what we call Infuse and Rejuvenate. So this is kind of like reparative, giving your skin nutrients. Okay, so I have this finished, and now I'm going to also wipe off my device because typically there's a lot of gook or oil that gets on the tip of the device. So I'm gonna apply my serum with my fingertips. And this here is a hydrating serum that has minerals in it. And it's good for, like, minerals are good for redness, inflammation, and hence my redness. You can see I like using serums like that. You want a water-based serum such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, anything like that. You don't want to use oil because I don't think ultrasound does really well in oil. Water is better. Okay, so now I have it applied evenly. I'm gonna use this device, kind of like icing a cake. You can go up with it, or you can kind of like ice the cake. That's what I imagine it to be like. I know when we do it on your skin as estheticians, we're icing your face. So now, the only thing you feel, well, I should say you hear more than feel, is this, you can hear it. And that is because it's doing the different mode. So on the first step, you're feeling vibration and kind of a scrapiness. And now in this mode, you're really just hearing it. And the closer you get to the ear, the more you hear it. So it's kind of weird when you first do it, and then it can get warm too. I think I just lost one of my lights. That's all right. We are creating the skin glow, so it doesn't matter because the skin is glowing from the very beginning to now. And then I just was told my battery is low. So we definitely should be finishing this video up. Okay, so I would do this for 3 to 5 minutes. After I'm done, okay, set it back in. I like to clean this with an alcohol, like an alcohol wipe, or you can use spray alcohol on a cotton round and just wipe your device down. Then I'm gonna massage the serum in, and then I'm gonna put my moisturizer, hydrator on, and then sunscreen, and voila, glowing, bright skin. So I hope this was helpful and you learned something that you can do from home. Stay strong, stay well, and I'll see you next time.